if I go to class, okay, my students will obviously see that I'll be bringing these two small bags with my laptop. So I always go around the school, this, like, bringing all these three. Okay, so but what do these two carry? Hi guys, in today's episode I'm gonna share with you what's in a bag of an English language teacher. So we're gonna talk about my bag today, but before that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now and turn on the notification so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be informed about the new videos. So we are going to talk about my bag, and when it comes to my bag, there are actually three kinds of bag that I usually bring to school. So one of them is actually the one that I have got from Hush Puppies like ages ago because of my yoga injury.
I'm fine! Totally fine!
So I chose to have something like this.
Is it easy? No. Do I like it? No.
Okay, with a handle and wheels, so I do not have to carry the bag. Okay, so I've been bringing this bag for quite some time now, but recently I've moved back to having my own handbag again. So the reason why I chose this is because it's sturdy, and then the color is quite universal. Wow! So they have a lot of compartments. I've bought it like more than a decade ago when I first got my lumbar injury after my yoga. So I've been using this ever since I called myself a teacher. So let's look into this bag first. Okay, so usually if I do not bring this bag, I'll bring my normal H&M handbag. But one of the reasons why I do not like to bring it is like, one, it has an open it's not, there's no zipper, okay, and then secondly is begin to give way now, and I love this bag so much, but so I don't want to ruin it. That's why I opt for my Hush Puppies. Number one that I have is actually my cutlery set, my plastic bag. Alright, so this plastic bag means a lot to me, and I have been bringing plastic bags ever since my school days.
Hey!
I think it's something that we were trained when we were younger, that we shouldn't throw our rubbish anywhere except in our own pocket, and that in our pocket we should always have a plastic bag so that we take home our rubbish rather than throwing our rubbish in the school, right? So that's a habit that I still bring it up to this day.
Oh my god!
But I modernize by buying this small thing with a roll of plastic bags. So this has always been in my bag like forever. So apart from what I have showed you just now, I also have my mini umbrella in case on rainy days that I have to rush home. I am always prepared, okay, with an umbrella. And then I also have one pouch like this, in which I actually keep my metal straw. Let's move to the other bag. Alright, so I only bring one bag to school, but it's either that bag or this bag. So whenever I bring this bag, I can't be taking as much as I wanted. Okay, so there are a few things I have to drop, and in this bag, let's have a look at what I bring and what I have to limit. So number one, of course, I have the laptop. I have my laptop with me, and I always have my thumb drive attached to it. And then of course we have our purse, and I have this black bag for all the chargers. this charger, my phone charger, and then I have the laptop charger. So there are two, and it's always in this. They are always in this bag. Oh my god. Okay. So if I go to class, okay, my students will obviously see that I'll be bringing these two small bags with my laptop. So I always go around the school, this, like, bringing all these three. Okay, so but what do these two carry? So this one is actually a travel bag, but I have utilized it to become my electronic bag. Where I keep all my wires in one place. So I have this cable, and then I have also adapter. Okay, so I just remove my markers from this small yellow handbag to this place because I like to reduce one handbag whenever I go to school, whenever I go to class. So I've been putting these three markers in this travel bag around maybe this whole week. Okay, so I just do this. Alright, so this is one corner, and then I have my speaker and headphone cable or charger. Alright, and then I have this another HDMI adapter. Okay, this has been like ages with me. And then last but not least is my stapler. So okay, I have a few more cables. Okay, and basically that's it. The hook that I can hook this handbag hook and hang my bag wherever I go. And then in this bag I definitely have another pack of tissue paper, and then I walk around with my MOE supplements. So I'm taking Calmet D and also vitamin C. So if you like to have this and you want to know why I only carry these two to school, maybe in another video I will give an extra details about these choices. Okay, I do not bring the whole thing, so usually I will repack into this pill box and I replenish it on weekly basis. So basically that's all in my bag. So until now, see you at school and good night. Time to sleep. It's past midnight and I'm so sleepy. I think it shows in the camera. Time to go, time to pack your bag. So in case you think your mom is doing her gibberish whenever she asks you to pack your bags before going to school, just remember that even teachers do the same thing. Alright, see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum.